Hi to everyone. In this exercise, we are going to interface servo motor and gas sensor MQ2 with your Arduino UNO. For a practical approach, we are going to find the LPG leakage in your home. If the gas leakage have been predicted in your kitchen, the gas sensor is going to predict. Once the prediction have been done, it automatically triggers the servo motor. That servo motor will rotate as per the angle you are going to give in your code. That rotation helps to close your knob. If the knob have been closed, means automatically the leakage of gas will be automatically closed. That type of practical approach we are going to done in this exercise. To implement this practical approach, we need a components of Arduino UNO, gas sensor, that means MQ2, servo motor, and to connect all your sensors, we need a jumper wires. And let's attend to our practical approach. And here we are going to predict the leakage of gas. Once the leakage have been predicted, we are going to trigger a servo motor. That servo motor is going to rotate as per the angle. That rotation helps to close the cylinder knob. That closing will immediately stop the supply of gas, and thus this implementation will overcome a huge accident during the gas leakage. Here we have used the servo.h library. This is an inbuilt library, no need to import from the third party. And then a servo sensor 0, and here the value have been assigned as a 0, and the sensor data pin is going to connect with the analog pin A0, and here is a object for servo motor, and here we have attached the servo motor to the pin number, digital pin number 8. So from the analog pin we are going to read the value. If the value is greater than 200 means at the time the servo motor triggers to 30 degree and the alarm will start to blow, and thus whenever the gas leakage value rises more than 200, at the time the loop will execute and the motor will automatically triggers to close the cylinder knob. That will overcome the huge accident. Here we are going to connect your Arduino with the gas sensor and also with your servo motor. The first pin is your VCC 5 voltage, and the second one is ground, and your last pin is A0. And here in your servo motor there will be 3 different color pins. The first one is a brown, that will act as a ground, and second one is a red, that will act as a voltage. We have to supply with your 5 voltage, and third last one is your data. Here we have declared a 8 number digital pin 8 for your servo motor, and last your VCC 5 voltage. So now we are going to check your tool port, your Arduino, and we can upload your coding. So now you can open your serial monitor to check your output, view the output data. Now you are going to press your lighter. At the time we will receive some gas leakage. That leakage is going to predict with your gas sensor MQ2. So now the value is automatically increased and the gas leakage have been detected. At the time your servo motor will trigger to close your cylinder knob. So now the servo motor have been triggered to close the knob. This will stop the leakage of your gas. And that's the thing. To implement your exercise, all your coding will be available in the link which will be provided in the description. Make use of that link and you can get your coding and all those libraries to execute your concept. Keep trying and implement your concept and keep on learning, and let's have a beautiful career, and all the best.